Harbor Freight sells two competitively priced hydraulic lift tables. One can handle 500 pounds and the other higher priced unit can handle 1,000 pounds. I bought the 1,000-pound unit. These lift tables are really handy for handling heavy loads, whether it's for loading or unloading your truck or to move things around your shop or work area. One of my first uses for this tool was to install an over-the-range microwave fan combo in one of my rental houses. It needed to be attached to the kitchen cabinet above the stove. If you check online for installation tips, they make it look so easy, but it's not. Even the installation manual makes light of the fact that these things weigh more than 70 pounds. So even if you have two people lifting it into place and a third person installing the screws inside the cabinet above, you'll find very little room for all three people. Additionally, the bolts have to be precisely aligned, so the unit needs to be held steady. Perfect job for the lift table. However, that table reaches a max of 35 inches, so I needed to make a riser. I wanted one that could also hold my tools and parts. So I took some measurements of the lift table, as you can see here. A quick drawing in Fusion, an exploded view, and a blueprint so I could get started on the build. If you want a copy of the drawing, just pause the video right here and take a screen clip. I ended up making two sizes that could be stacked for a combined reach of 75 inches. Time to build a riser. These risers worked out fabulously for my microwave installation. They made it easier than having a helper too. I will definitely be using these for many more projects. The cool part is that now, when I don't need the lift table for installations or moving things around, I have some rolling tool and part boxes for my shop. In this video, I showed you a few of my woodworking techniques very briefly. When I get time, I'll make a series on these and many more unusual methods I use. I hope you'll be watching more of my videos as I post them here on YouTube. For now, thank you for watching. See you next time.